Ever looked at an attractive creature and wondered why they wear such brilliant colors? The kingfisher. Is its blue just for show? Or why does the stunning red color of a ladybird pop out on the green leaves? In a world tinted mostly in green and brown, these bursts of color are magical, stopping us in our tracks. We're wired to notice what stands out. A bright color in a muted landscape seems a delightful puzzle to our eyes. But are these just for us? Or are they survival tools, evolved over millions of years? Can colors in nature be considered a language, warning, attraction, deception? These often tell stories of life and death, from finding mates to avoiding predators. Let's explore the true meaning behind nature's most spectacular displays of color. Brightly colored creatures have always starred in our myths and legends, captivating our imaginations with their vivid hues and striking patterns. Their appearance unforgettable and magical, they often symbolize the extraordinary and the otherworldly. The Quetzal bird, sacred to the Maya and Aztec, symbolized freedom and divinity, its feathers more precious than gold. This bird's vibrant plumage has been a symbol of status and power. Across cultures, vibrant creatures like bluebirds and rainbow lorikeets became symbols of hope, happiness, and wonder. Their bright colors were seen as a promise of good fortune and joy. But bright colors also inspired caution. Folk wisdom warns us. Bright means bite. This adage reflects a deep-seated wariness of nature's more dangerous inhabitants. Venomous snakes and poisonous frogs reinforce this belief, their vivid colors serving as a stark warning to potential predators and humans alike. But is it always true? Not every brightly colored creature is dangerous. Many harmless animals use bright colors to deceive predators or attract mates. Not every flash of color signals danger. Sometimes it's just a show. Peacocks and butterflies, for instance, use their colors to attract attention and find mates. Our stories often oversimplify, missing the complex roles color plays in nature. Colors can signify a range of things, from danger to beauty, from deception to attraction. Judging a beetle by its cover can lead to misunderstanding. These creatures might be harmless, despite their bright exteriors. Nature's palette is full of harmless creatures dressed to impress. Their colors signify diversity and wonder of the natural world, reminding us that beauty lies in the details. The idea that bright colors always mean danger is a myth. Many toxic creatures do advertise with color, but for every real threat, there's often a harmless mimic. Mimicry is nature's con game, like the harmless scarlet kingsnake copying the venomous coral snake's colors. Predators avoid both, erring on the side of caution. Sometimes, survival is about looking dangerous, not being dangerous. Quick judgments keep predators safe and mimics alive. So, a colorful creature might be a threat, or just a clever pretender. Nature's rules are flexible, and the line between warning and bluff is beautifully blurred. The natural world is endlessly fascinating because of these deceptions. We often forget that animals see the world differently than we do. Humans are trichromats, seeing red, green and blue, but many animals have entirely different palettes. Birds and bees are tetrachromats, seeing ultraviolet patterns invisible to us. Mammals like dogs see fewer colors, mostly blues and yellows. What's bright to us might be invisible to another species. Warning colors only work if the intended audience can see them. A blue lizard might stand out to us, but be camouflaged to a snake. Animal colors are tailored for their predators, prey, and mates, not for human eyes. The world is full of hidden signals, invisible to us, but vital in the wild. Don't eat me, you'll regret it. These words fall correctly into some situations. Sometimes bright colors really do mean danger. A strategy called aposematism, where toxicity is the real defense. Color is the warning label. A predator eating a monarch butterfly gets sick and learns to avoid that color pattern forever. This is taste aversion, a powerful evolutionary lesson. Bold patterns, reds, yellows, blacks, are easy to remember. Studies show toxicity and bright color often evolve together. There's no point advertising danger if you can't back it up. Aposematism is found in insects, frogs, marine slugs, even skunks. But it isn't always a language between predator and prey. Co-evolution shapes both appearance and behavior, all through color. Warning predators is just one reason for animal color. Many displays are about love. Sexual selection drives spectacular beauty. The peacock's tail, for example, is a signal of health and genetic fitness. Colors can also signal status or territory, as in lizards' blue bellies. Sometimes color is camouflage or helps regulate body temperature. Animal coloration is a versatile toolkit for survival, rivalry, and romance. Nature's palette serves many purposes beyond warning. Let's meet some of nature's most colorful creatures, each with its own unique story and purpose. Poison dart frogs in Central and South America flaunt electric blues and fiery oranges. These vibrant hues serve as a stark warning to potential predators, signaling their potent toxicity. The mandarin fish of the Indo-Pacific is a psychedelic marvel, its colors both a warning and a courtship display. They stand out in the coral reefs, where it navigates its complex underwater world. The Gouldian finch of Australia is a harmless flying rainbow, its colors all about social signaling and mate choice. These birds use their bright plumage to communicate with each other, ensuring reproduction in the wild. Not all beauty is dangerous. Sometimes it's just for show. Peacocks and birds of paradise use their stunning displays to attract mates, turning the forest into a stage for their performances. Blue morpho butterflies use structural color for dazzling effect. Their wings, which appear to shimmer and change color, are a result of microscopic scales that reflect light in unique ways. Ladybirds' red and black warns predators, but many are harmless. These tiny beetles are a gardener's friend, helping to control pest populations while adding a splash of color to the garden. Each colorful creature is a masterpiece of evolution, a living story. Their colors and patterns are not just for show. They play crucial roles in their survival, from camouflage to communication. Nature's palette is inventive, solving survival in creative ways. From the depths of the oceans to the highest mountains, animals have adapted to thrive in their environments. Each one contributes to the rich tapestry of biodiversity, reminding us of the incredible diversity and resilience of life on Earth. Tragically, the strategy that helps animals survive in the wild makes them irresistible targets for humans. These draw the attention of poachers and traffickers who see only profit. The illegal pet trade thrives on the allure of the most vibrant and unusual creatures, turning their dazzling colors into a curse. Markets around the world are filled with rare reptiles, birds, and amphibians, all stolen to satisfy human curiosity and greed. Poison dart frogs, with their electric hues, parrots with feathers like rainbows, rare lizards with shimmering scales are poached for the exotic pet industry. Many of these animals endure horrific journeys, crammed into tiny containers, dying before reaching any destination. The rarer and more colorful the animal, the higher the price on the black market, and the greater the risk of extinction. Some species are pushed to the brink, their populations decimated by relentless demand. Desire to possess them as status symbols or curiosities is driving them toward disappearance. Each animal taken from the wild leaves a void in its ecosystem, disrupting delicate balances that have evolved over millennia. Scientific studies have revealed a direct link between an animal's colorfulness and its risk of being traded illegally. The brighter and more unique the animal, the more likely it is to be targeted. This trade not only threatens individual animals, but also disrupts entire ecosystems, silencing the unique voices and colors that make our natural world so rich and diverse. These animals are not trinkets or decorations. They are sentient beings that belong in the wild, not confined to glass boxes or cages for our amusement. Their beauty should inspire wonder and respect, reminding us of the importance of protecting them and their habitats, not exploiting them for fleeting fascination or profit. Colourful creatures are vital to ecosystems and indicators of environmental health. Their survival is threatened by illegal trade and habitat loss, a tragedy for all life. Protecting them starts with awareness and education. Support conservation groups, protect habitats, and fund research. Tropical forests and coral reefs, homes to many vibrant species, must be preserved. Scientific research helps us understand and protect these animals. Let's admire their beauty without needing to possess it. By working together, we can keep the world vibrant, diverse, and full of wonder.